Oh, that's so cute. How are you? Love your outfit. Cost me 20,000. Happy birthday! Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. So as you guys can see, we are actually checked in a hotel because the other night I was invited by John and Grace for their annual Christmas party for their company, and I was one of the judges for their Christmas caroling. Thank you so much, John and Grace, for having me. So yeah, I decided to check in a hotel here in the city because I have just been driving back and forth from the city to the countryside, and it's such a pain in the butt. That's right. Today we're actually checking out because we are going to get the Christmas baskets. If you guys can remember, I've shared that to you guys. We're gonna be giving away bundles of joy for the neighborhood, which will be happening in the next 2 days. So we are doing it today. I've rented a truck to bring everything to the countryside since Ruby cannot like carry everything. We are gonna be buying like 3 sacks of rice, so that's like 150 kilos, so that's really heavy. So yeah, my sister is still working. I think she will have under time, so she could help me, you know, do the grocery since it's gonna be a lot. Also, before we do the groceries though, Scarlett and I are gonna go to SMC side because I'm still not yet finished getting gifts for the fam-bam and for some of my friends that will be celebrating Christmas in the house. So I got a few for the fam-bam already. I just need to get for Vingo, for bro and my twin, for sis and mom. I think I got some for the boys already, like Papa, my brother-in-law, and that. So anyway, I do have a lot of stuff here. Last night we went to Colon, and that's where we got the ones for the boys. And then yeah, for the ladies, we're gonna go to the mall and see what I could find for them. Scarlett is here. You wanna say hi?
Hi, the vlog.
Alright guys, let's go check out. It's very gloomy here in the city. Look at this. This is our view. We are just here in Capitol, by the way. Capitol is right there and Cebu Doctor is right there. So yeah, I just chose this location because this is closest to my sister's workplace and for mom's workplace as well. So yeah, anyway guys, come on, let's go. It's going to be a hectic day. So I asked help from front desk to grab all our stuff because Scarlett can help me. There's like a lot of bags. I just need to check everything.
Automatic mo na sir.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Right, we're good to go. Let's go. Alright, Scarlet Blue is there. Okay, look at those bags. I cannot carry everything. Right, here we go, darling. Get inside. Thank you. Guys, we just checked out and now we're heading to SMC side. We're stuck in traffic. It's okay, I understand. People want to get Christmas gifts and, you know, attend parties and stuff like that. So yeah, at least like it's getting back to normal. I'm happy about it. I'm not complaining. There's not much traffic in SMC side though. Alright, so I need to buy a gift for bro, my twin, for Vingo, Lynn, mom, sis, and red outfit for myself. That's pretty much it. So after we're done in SMC side, we go to Metro, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, we're here in SMC side now. Look, they have this really huge Christmas tree. Wow, look at that, so pretty. It's like a snow themed Christmas tree. Right, we're gonna go to H&M. Come on, hold my hand. H&M and maybe SM department store and look for Christmas gifts for the friendships. Let's go.
Friends.
Tita's friends? Yeah. Hi, how are you? How are you? Love your outfit. It's so Christmassy.
Hello.
Yeah, so we're gonna look for something for Christmas. Alright guys, so we're now here in the SM department store looking. We're in the shoes section. Bro is assisting me, he knows better. So we're looking for shoes for sis. I already got her a bag, by the way, but I'm gonna add one shoes for her because she needs it all the time for work. And then I got sandals for mom, Vingle, and Lynn. So bro is bringing all of the shoes. There you go. And now we're in the kids section. Personal shopper. We're in the kids section because we're gonna look for Scarlett's birthday dress, which is going to be unicorn. You want unicorn, Panga?
Yes, yes.
Okay. This one is really cute. It's a hoodie with shorts. So Scarlett wants the purple one. You want this one, purple?
No.
No?
Pink.
Oh, you want pink? She wants pink. Okay. Unicorn. Oh, that's so cute, honey. Oh, it's so nice. So we're done shopping for gifts for friends and fam. Bro is actually going to wrap it. They do have free gift wrapping here in SMC side. Bye, bro. Thank you.
See you.
See you the next day and after
See you.
tomorrow.
See
You will see Kuya Bro soon.
On your birthday.
On your birthday. On Christmas. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Ato nami. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go. You wanna eat or you wanna play?
You put it.
You wanna eat? You wanna play?
Play.
Play? Okay.
Yes, eat first.
Eat first and play?
Yes.
Okay. So we are in Bohol Bee Farm. We're gonna have brunch here. This is gonna be my first meal of the day. It's already 11 or 12 p.m. like lunchtime. So I just ordered grilled fish and we'll share it with Scarlett, and then she wants to have milk tea instead of what's this? Cotton candy? Hi. Are you enjoying your shopping? Yes? Okay, let's wait for
bye.
If you eat in Bohol Bee Farm, they have complimentary stuff like this. Yeah, you have bread, this crackers, and some dip. We have cucumber lemonade. Cheers. Mmm, so yummy. And we have this. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. So this is my food. We have grilled fish, brown rice, red rice. Bon appetit.
You eat, I said, you eat the flower.
The little lady's eating ice cream with her favorite color, pink.
I want the color pink.
We're going home. Okay. We are done in SMC side. Now we've been stuck in traffic for about 20 minutes now. Fudge, everyone's going out. Anyway, we're driving towards my sister's workplace because we're gonna pick her up, then we go to Metro supermarket. We managed to pick up sis besides the traffic that we had to go through. And can you hear some snore? It is the little one. Look what she's doing. It's Scarlett. Oh, wake up, honey. Oh, she's really snoring. Anyway, we are here now in Paseo Arcenas in Metro. The truck should be here in about 30 minutes. He's coming from the countryside. It's actually drizzling, so hopefully the goods will be okay since the truck doesn't have a cover at the back. So yeah, this is where I would normally get grocery because the parking is so huge. Like, look how big the parking is. So it goes all the way there. You see, like, there's no cars even there. And here it's all full because it's close to the store. And yeah, look, we're now here inside. So these are the list. I really made sure we have a list so that we won't forget anything. So first on the list, 100 pieces noodles. We're gonna look. 100 pieces noodles. It's on the other side. Scarlett, you wanna sit here? No? Okay. Okay, like that. Wow. Let me see.
Are you okay?
Hi. Alright guys, so we have here 50 pieces of bihon and our cart is almost full.
I told you.
Ready? Okay, next would be noodles. 100 pieces of noodles. Guys, so these are all of the stuff that we are getting. We have 6 sacks of rice and 3 big carts. There you go.
Okay, push.
Okay, push. Agoy, agoy, bangga na. Okay, okay, okay. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Shout out sa ako, sa asawa ako. Ang one, Johan na ilo. Long pass shout out. Nang one ni Dre.
Asa? Kaulan? Alright, there you go guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 carts. Ta-da! There you go. This is the truck that we rented. It's a lot.
What's the YouTube channel mo?
Meljeansolon.
Ha?
Meljeansolon.
Meljeansolon?
There's a lot. I'm so tired. We were there for like 2-3 hours, I think, getting everything. Okay na? Okay. Salamat kaayo.
Salamat, ma'am.
Salamat.
Shout out sa
Merry
ako.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Dad. Sama na ko tagan ani. Come on lang. 100 each. Salamat kayo.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Salamat.
Okay, look. These are all of this stuff. It might be raining in the country, so we have to cover it. We are finally home. Oh my gosh. The truck is here as well. He is over there. I don't know if you guys can see, but they are getting all of the stuff and putting it here. So
There, you forward it.
that's 50 kilos, guys. Look,
Ha?
that's a lot. He's so savage. 50 kilos. Okay, go Scarlett. Go, go, go. Very good, man. Oy. Look, 1, 2, 3, 25 kilogram each. We have 5 kilogram ganador as well. That will be for the raffle. Wait, the wine. Careful. Careful, honey. We still have 3 more sacks. Uy, pangga, that's 5 kilogram. My goodness. We have all of the groceries right here. If you guys want to ask how much everything that you guys can see here cost, it cost me 20,000 pesos. There you go. So that's actually a lot. We got like 6 sacks of 25 kilogram of white rice. We have 4 5 kilogram of ganador rice. That's premium rice. And then a bunch of stuff. Noodles, we have canned goods, beef loaf, we have, what else? Coffee, we have milk, and we have sugar. We have a bunch of goodies for everyone. So yeah, I think we're gonna try to start packing maybe the rice tonight. before we started like getting stuff in Metro, we went to the customer service and asked if they could provide us these plastic. If you guys can see, it has Merry Christmas. And yeah, always actually they would normally give you if you are going to do a Christmas basket or bundles of joy that you are going to give to everyone. So yeah, they gave us that, like 60 plastics. So yeah, anyway, today is also Scarlett's dad's birthday. Whose birthday is it?
Papa.
So you have a cake for your papa?
Here, small one.
Okay, show to the guys. Where's your cake? Let me see. That's so cute. Wow. That's your cake for your papa. So when papa arrive, what are you gonna do?
I like this. Happy birthday.
Wow. You're gonna surprise? Okay, so we got 2 cakes for my brother-in-law, and then we just got lechon manok Senor Pedro. And then yeah, we're just gonna... It's really my brother, cause mama and me are sisters. So your papa and me are brothers, okay? She don't understand it still. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna have dinner once Atan will be here. Thank you guys for watching my videos. We are able to share our blessings to the neighborhood. It's gonna be very fun. Tomorrow, the next day for our Christmas party, we will have exchange gifts as well, 100 pesos. So they are starting to pack now the rice. Earlier, again, we went to SMC side. Bro was the one helping me shop there. He was able to deliver it because they do have free gift wrap. We did not wait because again, we had to get this stuff. Thank you so much, bro. SMC side, guys. Look for Larry. He is the best. He wrapped it up. Ta-da! It has the card already.
That's
this one
shows.
Wait, don't say! Oh my god! We're just waiting for the birthday boy, guys, before we start having dinner. It's been a very busy day, but productive day.
It's busy. Happy birthday.